Hey guys, simple experience for today. Hindi siya food, hindi rin siya drink. So, something na I'm pretty sure din, medyo alam nyo na, nakasanayan nyo na. But this is something different, probably for many of you. Even when I discovered it, talagang I want to share with everyone. So, ganito siya. Simple lang. Hangout ka lang dito sa Misters. Tapos, nilalanghap mo ang lamig ng hangin. Siyempre, as you can see, may mga tao, konti, pero okay lang yun. Believe me, okay lang yung konti ang tao. So, ready na ba kayo? The simple experience for today. Teka lang, ready na kayo? Pwede lang ako. Guys, simple experience for today. Ruins of St. Paul at night. Enjoy.